Right then, Alex, let's see if your improvement continues with this paper. 10.19 change, 6 marks there. That one's right. 250 litres is a lot. If you think a litre, petrol is sold by the litre, so you wouldn't have a teacup big enough to hold 1 litre, let alone 250. That's the answer that they're looking for there. The other two are correct with you. 59 is good. 11 for the first page. Well done. Cylinder, cone, tangent, radius. Excellent. 8 marks there. No, a perpendicular line, what you need to do for perpendicular is take your plastic ruler, line up one of these marks on the inside of the ruler with the line, and then the edge is going to be at right angles to the line. It's going to be perpendicular. Slide it along until the edge goes through the point, and that's a perpendicular line, not yours. You've drawn a triangle. Obtuse is correct. 12 is right, but volume is centimeters cubed. So you'll get your 12 mark, but you'll get your units wrong. Impossible, unlikely, and even chance is correct. 5 for that page. Ooh, what have we done there? Wrong decimal. No. If you'd have written so, I'm not sure why you've got the 0 points. If you're estimating at 52, then that would have been alright. And if you'd have been estimating at 71, but grotto is below 0, so these are all negative, minus 10, minus 20, and so on. And these ones are all plus 10, plus 20, and so on. So you've actually got that one right, and that one would have been right if it hadn't been for the 0 point. So you're making it, not sure why you put that 0 point in there. You get that one anyway. And you wouldn't have got that one because it should have been negative, but you would have got that one and that one if you hadn't had the 0 point in front of them. That's a bit frustrating for you. That's correct, and 81 pence is correct as well. So 6 marks there. £2, yes, because she's got £1.90. She would need more. Good. £305.90. £52.44. You would then need to divide that by 4 to work out the overtime pay. That's how much more she gets paid for 4 hours work. So to find out how much she gets paid per hour overtime, you would divide by 4. So you got 1 mark for the 39 hours, 2 marks for the £305.90, 1 mark for the 52.44, but then you lose the last 2 marks because you multiplied by 4, not divided. And as far as communicating is concerned, you haven't. You're not telling me what each of these bits are working out because you weren't really sure when I spoke to you about that in class. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. The difference of 36, and that hasn't. So then you try dividing. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. 21 plus 4n is correct. It doesn't equal 28, it just equals that. Can't be simplified beyond that. And with this one, 1302 is correct. And with this one, you're going the other way, you have to divide. So that one's wrong. 2 marks there, 3 for that page. 1.5 degrees each. That's good. Have a look how I explain that on the video clip. That is something that you should be able to do now. We did some fraction work back in January. Okay, you've got a point missing here. 2220 is missing. The rest are there, so you'll get 1 mark for that. That we're going to spend some time after Easter practicing, but it might be something you want Sheridan to go through with you. To calculate the mean, so you add up the y values and divide by however many there are. I would have thought you'd be able to do that. Mean we were doing just a few weeks back. X is 25, y is 22, that's good. Ratio was something we practiced a couple of weeks back, so think back to ratio. That's Pythag, you would have done it in the higher tier. We will be practicing that. And then we come to the trickier stuff. So that one you should, if you take a look at the video clip, you should be able to work your way through that one. That one's a bit trickier. That's good. 12n minus 5, well done. And here, so 2.5 is too big. 2.4 is too small. Now it's too big. We're looking for 0. So you've got 1 part of your search correct there. Okay, 2.4 is too big, so you're looking to go down again. 4 marks on that page. So 36 you think? Well, I think you know better than that. 11, 19, 24, 30, 37, 40, 44, 45, 47, 51. So it's better than you were expecting. It's still 10 marks off a D. Sorry, 10 marks off a C. It is a D. But there are marks in there that you should be able to do. So go through that with Sheridan. Where you've left things out or got things wrong, spend time concentrating on those now over the Easter break.